Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by identifying the accounts and verifying supporting documents. This is critical because accuracy here prevents rework later. Once you have invoices and receipts, choose the correct date and reference number and assign debit and credit sides based on normal balances. Make sure to include the posting period so the journal ties to the ledger. Don't delay. Enter the transaction immediately after verification so you preserve audit trails and maintain up-to-date records. Now record each transaction. Enter the date, list the debit account. S, first with amounts, then the credit account. S. Explain briefly in the description field why the entry exists and include source reference codes for traceability. Once done, verify that debits equal credits on the line and that totals match supporting documents. If an adjusting or correcting entry is required, note it clearly and use separate lines to avoid confusion. This keeps the general journal auditable and reliable. Finish by posting the journal amounts to the appropriate ledger accounts. Post debits and credits to their respective ledgers and update balances. After posting, run a trial balance to confirm totals match. If they do not, trace back to the journal lines and reconcile differences. Make correcting entries with clear explanations and dates. If you still see mismatches, check source documents for missing transactions as the key troubleshooting step. Often a single omitted entry causes most imbalances.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.